Paradigm supports Coinbase's case against the second, files Amicus Curiae brief. Julia Smith last updated, March 19, 2024, 18:02 EDT 2-minute read. Coinbase's case against second intensifies as Paradigm joins the crypto community in supporting the exchange's push for regulatory clarity. Image by Andrey Popov, Adobe Stock. Paradigm is supporting Coinbase's case against the second, an Amicus Curiae brief filed by the crypto investment firm Monday reveals. The second faces scrutiny for its rigid regulatory approach. In Monday's briefing, Paradigm criticized the second's heavy-handed regulatory approach, calling the federal agency a regulator that is refusing to engage in regulation. The second's refusal to initiate a rulemaking continues its ad hoc approach of regulation by enforcement, where attempts at compliance lead only to punishment. Paradigm's brief reads in part, that is not a stable equilibrium. Translating to mean front of the court, an Amicus Curiae brief is often filed by an individual or entity with information relevant to Coinbase's case against the second that may influence the court's decision. The cryptocurrency investment firm's legal saga with the second began in July 2022 after the crypto exchange platform asked for regulatory guidance from the federal agency regarding digital assets. After a lengthy legal back and forth, the second went on to deny that request, prompting Coinbase to once more challenge the regulator in court, leading to the current developments in Coinbase's case against the second. Coinbase finds support among the crypto community. Paradigm, an investor in Coinbase, previously submitted an Amicus Curiae brief on Coinbase's behalf in May 2023, demonstrating the firm's ongoing support for Coinbase's case against the second. The second's delay results in a de facto ban on digital asset trading platforms, which are instructed to register with the second, but are not provided a path to do so, the technology investment company said in the 2023 court filing. Paradigm is well positioned to aid this court's understanding of the important issues raised by Coinbase's petition. News of Paradigm's filing comes the same day the Crypto Council for Innovation (CCI) submitted its own Amicus Curiae brief on behalf of Coinbase, citing concerns that the second's stringent regulatory approach may push crypto businesses overseas. In turn, industry participants are fleeing abroad to countries that offer regulatory guidance, for example, UK, EU, parts of Asia, Pacific, etc., said Jai Kim, General Counsel and Head of Global Policy for CCI. And the U.S. is unfortunately losing its role as a leader in the global digital assets financial system, taking a backseat as other countries embark toward the technological frontier. Coinbase to go overseas. Just last year, Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong flirted with the idea of relocating the company out of the U.S. if the regulatory environment did not approve, saying anything is on the table. All Coinbase asks is that the second explain what century-old securities laws require of this young $2 trillion industry that deeply desires to comply with the law, Paradigm's brief concludes. And second spokesperson was not immediately available for comment. Follow us on Google News.